My first guest is a retired Top Gun pilot who flew more than 40 missions in the Middle East. Matthew Whiz Buckley is with me now. Matthew, thank you for your time tonight. First, as this search continues, give us an idea of the type of training, specifically survival training, that pilots receive for this scenario.
You bet, Victor. Good evening. Thanks for having me. We go through SEER training: survival, evasion, resistance, and escape. So we're taught that early in our aviation career. And then when we get into theater, the intel folks will give us a local theater brief as well. And we're also briefed on the CSAR, combat search and rescue capabilities in the region. So we're thoroughly trained. But Victor, to be honest with you, when you look down to pull those yellow and black ejection handles between your legs over bad guy territory to choose either death or getting out of the airplane, obviously no training can fully prepare you for being shot down behind enemy lines. So let's hope this air crewman, the weapon systems operator, gets home safe and soon. Absolutely.
Let me also ask you, what type of defenses might this person have on his body? A pistol, anything to defend himself if Iranians come and try to capture?
I personally flew with my own Glock 9mm, and also in the seat kit. So in your ejection seat, there's what we call a seat kit. There's also survival equipment in that seat pan, and there's usually a semi-automatic rifle in there as well. But Victor, we had kind of gallows humor as aviators. We jokingly said, well, that was just to use on ourselves. We're not going to John Wayne our way out of this thing. We're hoping that the CSAR forces come in and rescue us. I mean, the motto of our pararescue force is so that others may live. Seeing the videos that you're showing right now of that HC-130 and then the H-860 Pavehawks down there at low altitude in the weeds, hunting for that downed air crew, just makes my heart smile. When we lose a crew member in combat, everything stops. These combat search and rescue folks, this is their Super Bowl. They train years for this. And for the past 30 days, knock on wood, that alarm hasn't sounded. They've been sitting there playing cards on the alert runway. And then when the alarm sounded, they sprung into action. And this is a well-oiled machine that has been thoroughly planned out, and they're executing to it right now.
And they're doing this in a part of Iran. Again, Iran is a massive country with really diverse terrain. In this region of southwestern Iran, a rugged terrain, how complex is this operation considering that terrain?
Well, Victor, it's a lot more complex. I've seen a lot of folks wondering, well, if they ejected together, the front and the back seater in an F-15E go within 0.3 seconds of each other. They explode out of that cockpit. How can they not land near each other? Well, if you've seen in some of these videos, it's pretty mountainous. It's pretty rocky, and it's pretty rugged terrain. So you might be close in distance, but a world apart. But this is what we train for. And Victor, a big majority of a brief as a fighter pilot before we went over bad guy country was search and rescue. Hey, if somebody goes down and you see it, you assume on-scene commander. You launch the search and rescue effort. So we've thought through this a lot, and it's good to see the Air Force pararescue folks executing to this, some of the most elite forces on this planet.
Matthew Whiz Buckley, thank you so much for setting the table for us. With me now, CNN military analyst